This is estivation. Estivation means arrangement of petals or sepals with respect to each other in the same whole, how they are arranged. This is a representation of sepals or petals. This is called velvet, twisted, imbricate and vexillary. In velvet estivation, the margin or edge of each petal just touches the margin of the next adjacent petal and so on. But there is no overlapping. The petals or sepals do not overlap. The edges or the margins of the petals or the sepals just touch but do not overlap. This is called velvet estivation. This is called twisted. In twisted estivation, the margin of each petal overlaps the margin or edge of the next adjacent petal and so on. This is called twisted. The edges of the petals overlap the edges of the adjacent petal and so on. It continues. This is called twisted. Imbricate. In imbricate estivation, the edges of the petal are overlapped by the adjacent petals and the edges of the petal overlaps the margin or edges of the next petal. So there is overlapping between the edges of the petals or the sepals but not in a particular direction. This is called imbricate estivation. Then vexillary. Vexillary estivation is the characteristic of peas and beans, legumes. In the flower, there are 5 petals. This is the largest petal, which is called standard. These are the lateral petals called wings. And this is the pair of smallest anterior petals called keel. Standard, wings and keels. The standard overlaps the lateral petals called wings. The wings in return overlaps the keels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 petals. This kind of arrangement or estivation is called vexillary. Vexillary is found in all peas and beans. So these are the 4 different types of estivation.